Ay, sugag na nga. Muro magturuang hibuhat. Muro mag-professional.
Halang na.
Eh?
Nah, mình tàu nữa. Tàu. Yan, dito na naman ang atay ng tikon. Sumbadas tayo. Kaya. Tuti kaya kung nagtagong na siya, kita sa panok. Lain na siya. Lain. Ito na ako ilabay.
Taking a picture. Wadila sa Denmark. Wadila na Denmark.
Pag-ihaw niya ng manok, Jollibee, minana magyapunin.
So, dito naman guys, is doon parang inasal. Dito naman halang-halang daw. My God. See? Halang-halang. Yung father ko, nag-video sa ginagawa niya. Grabe na talaga to social media life. And then, yeah, so it's gonna be super spicy kasi nga halang-halang. And then, yeah, this is our way of cooking here. Very traditional. Very nice. Oh, kaseryoso na ako. Ay, oh. Char! Buko. Fresh from the tree.
Ikaw na ko sa kuwan.
OMG. Luto na guys ang halang-halang ni Chloe. Char! Kunya mo, sa may gipamati ni mo ma?
Ya ako lang niya daw.
Ayaw, init ka na.
Bebe.
Ugoy!
Tumba ka diyan.
And ready na aming food. Ito ay actually from last night. Isda yun guys. This is the halang-halang chicken. And this is the inasal chicken. As in fresh from the steak pa yan. And then may sabaw din dyan. And then ang aming rice ay mais. Sarap.
Take your order, sir. I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. Burgers with a little more cheese, and her flurries really make you freeze. She pours the coffee with the greatest of ease, while her smile warms it up a few degrees. She bakes a pie, salted fries, supersized, makes it all look like a breeze. Oh, Jasmine, if I ask you, would you be my fast food squeeze? Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. Every day I see you here, it just makes me wanna swoon. I wanna buy you a Happy Meal, but is it just too soon? I know you hear this all the time, so you are probably immune. If you would be my fast food girl, I would take you to the moon. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, eyes like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. You are that extra